Pero, karang ko sila.
We have the Honorable Elaine Marcos. Atong pagpagay in Ormoc City, we would like to acknowledge for a very resounding 8th year edition. So kabalogin ko nga ang atong mga Ormoc Canons ganahan na mong kaog lechon. Isang kamot sa ganang lechon. Wala, dagan-dagan, ubay-ubay yun po.
My best wishes to all of you and mayong gabi kanatong tanan. Kana mangaon na ta. Happy Fiesta, Ormoc. Thank you.
And we have lechon number 1. Let me read to you again the criteria for judging. Lechon crispiness, 40%. Taste, 20%. Aroma, 20%. Physical appearance and presentation and color, 20%. For a total of 100%. Lechon, ay namoy puso. Yes! Mapusog kita karon sa atong lechon kumbira!
Balik ko din sa mo. Anyway, wala hindi na makat si Mayor Lucy because she warned me when I was here. That was last year. That was last year. The warning na ba ni Mayor na she is telling you the lechon here in Ormoc lamig tayo is even better than silingan. Silingan, hindi na kumukha kasi mabas ko na nilo. Kaya pag first pa lang ito na entry, so why pang pagating-ating the best with sa Ormoc. So wala pa, primero pa ito. Doon si makabuka mong kaunon. So ibuwas niyo mga klorong adlaw, wala po ni kamang na yung reserva na wadalhin. Iinom na sa kuna ako lusan.
Hello, Sir Jude! Yay! Ako nag-host of Miss Universe. Look at it. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Yay! Number 4. Look at that, no? Usagin na sa mga criteria for judging, no?